Good morning, Kundiba. Good morning, Okin. What are you doing? I am planting a tree. What tree is this? It's a mango tree. When will it bear fruit? After many years. Kundiba, you look so old. What use is this tree to you then? Oh king, I am not planting this tree for myself. After many years, other people will come here. They will sit in the shade of this tree. They will get the mangoes. Kundiba, you are such a kind man. You have taught me a lesson. Now I will also work for others.